So here we are at the Fiesta Americana Puerto Vallarta. This is a sort of open washroom area. Got a frosted door for the toilet. Nice big shower. And then here we've got some, oh, I like these. These open up through to the other side. So it's kind of nice if you're in the bathroom, you want to grab your clothes or grab it from the other side, you can from either one, and the safe will be on the other side. Let's see the main living area here. Nice high ceilings. We are 906 on the top floor. Flat screen TV. And like I said, these open up through to the other side. We've got a nice, quite large size safe there. Room service is included, Wi-Fi is included. We have this is a room service menu, coffee station, and of course we've got a mini bar, and there's lots of storage space for your clothes, which is nice. Mini bar is restocked on a daily basis. Lots of plugins to recharge all of your devices. And then let's take a look at this view. What do you think about that? Open this up. We're really close to the marina here, and we're easy walking distance to downtown as well if you're reasonably fit. There you go. Fiesta Americana Puerto Vallarta.